Hey guys, welcome back. Medusa Cars, my name's Aaron. Now, today we'll work on one little piece that I've been searching for, some unobtainium for the most popular car I've had in here yet. You know, my mini Mustang, the Escort GT. Couple of wipers to fix that issue. And box of unobtainium. You know, all these guys working on these supercars saying how hard it is to find parts. Well, I think this is harder. You know, been missing these headlights. And thanks to these guys at Thunder Bay Auto Parts over there in where is this? Canada. You know, I found something, you know, that's only for this car. I mean, I looked all over places, you know, you have no idea where I've looked. And because of the way these are, they're like US only, Canada only. Not only did I get one from them, I got both headlights. This stuff's like gold. And they both have the Ford stamp in them, so yeah, that took many, many months to find. So I'm gonna work on getting these in there, and I have some light bulbs so we can actually make them work. Get the wipers on and get it outside and get some good photographs of this thing, because it's pretty sweet. But yeah, let's see what it takes to get these headlights on, because I have to remove the grille, and all of this has to come out. There's a couple bolts from underneath, a couple on top, some from in here, some from over there. It wasn't very easy, you know, when I took that one out just to see if I could find part numbers. But yeah, we'll get these out, get those in, see what it looks like with a little bit of unobtainium attached to it. Hey guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, maybe share it. I don't know. If you like it, might as well. They're all free. Doesn't hurt you a bit. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's all free. Helps me out. And maybe you get to see something cool, stupid, fun, or all three of the above. So thank you. Let's get back to it. Well, I already started and got the other one ready. Makes it a little easier to go, here's how you do it. So, but just pulling everything apart, seeing how dirty everything is fun. All right. On these old style ones, you got a clip right here. You got to work your way up. Oh, don't stab you in the hand. Come on. Okay. Pop that clip off so that this top one will come loose. And then these little tabs here that hold this light in, they just need to turn 90 or what is it? Yeah, 90 degrees without breaking anything. Come on. There it goes. Got it. And oh, okay, that one's loose. Now I got to turn this one 90 degrees. Ah. Come on. Nice and easy. Just do it. No breaky. All right. No breaky. And there's the bucket off. And then the new one just slips back on and clips back in place. And a little cleaning up in the hidden spots that you can't get to. Even though this is not something I normally do. But, you know, is anything normal on YouTube? Oh, gotta get all this hard to reach areas cleaned up so later, another time, another day when I do all the other stuff and clean the rest of it up. Okay, those are the hard to reach areas. And then we just got to slide all this back in the areas it was. That's on there. Yeah, that's on there. Now take this, gently rotate, rotate it in the right direction. Because it does have a little bit of a bevel to it. No. Come on. You need to spin and not break. Oh, you suck. Well, dang it. I think that whole thing's going to break off on me. Yes. So I got to try to get it from inside. Glue that on later. It means I got to try to get it from in here. Ah, come on. There we go. All right, just a hair more. And it should lock in with the one side. Okay. So that's got to go a tiny bit that way. Come on, get there. Okay, that one's latched. Now, and so you can see what I'm talking about here, is this little deal here has got to turn 90, and you can see the deal in the back. So, which way is it beveled? It's beveled that way. All right, so this on here. There it goes. Come on. Keep going. All right. You're wanting to go. Go. There it goes. Got it. All right. Now just a hair more. I should latch in. There it is. Now you can see in there where it's turned 90 degrees. Hopefully I'm right in the right place. And it's got little locks in the backside that lock it in there. Alrighty, now got to put this little clip on here to lock this into place. Okay. And there she is. New light installed. And then all I got to do is put the corner light back on, clean up the back, and put it back in there. And this has a little pin. I'll clean it up here in a minute, but it has a little pin, goes back on there, and bing, bang, boom. There we go. It looks like when somebody took this apart, they accidentally cracked it, and I didn't notice it when I opened the box. So I already told them, hey, this is perfect. So now that I got part numbers that are on here, I'll see if I can find new lenses, because I still have good pieces everywhere else, and search for the next couple years for new ones. I know where there's one new one, but you know. All right, well, get those done, get all this cleaned up in here, put it all back together, throw the wipers in it, and then I think one of the injectors isn't really working yet. It might be my issue I'm having with a little bit of a rough idle. So I'll get in there, do what I did last time, put a screwdriver on the thing and just tap it. See if I can bring it back to life like I did the others. So, yeah, well, that's where we're at. All right, got it all back together. Let's All right, now we got two headlights at work and got lenses, but yeah, look at those cracks. Yeah. Oh well. That's the way it works when they're this old. So now I'm gonna work on seeing if I can see if it's that injector that's not working, because we look in here, you can see how that one's dry, and that one's still wet. Okay, well, this is weird. You hear the ticking right here. There, the PCB seems to be bad, so I'll have to get a new one of those. Oh, shut her off. Well, I got her up in the air, so let's take a look under her now that we can really see what's going on here. And need a little light. Definitely a little dirty. I think most of this shiny is the ATF that I put in the cylinders that came flying out. But the fun part is, up in behind all that is the oil filter. Yeah. And there we can see the new belts, new brakes. But yeah, not too bad. No rust. It's pretty nice under here. Pretty amazing. But yeah, so get the oil changed, you know, give her some new blood. And I think I need to order a new brake master cylinder because everything's still feeling a little squishy. Alright guys, there we go. Not bad. Oil's changed, runs a little better. Headlights are in. You know, one is way nicer than the other, but hey, they have lenses. That's all we need. So, wow, she's looking much, much better. A couple more washes and cleans and get her looking way better. Guys, that's the end of it for this video. So, you know, found the unobtainium for that. Been working on stuff for this other one. I tore this other motor down for the Audi, and because I need to put this crank in the other motor. But yeah, beautiful. Isn't that so awesome? Put oil in your car. Make sure it stays there. Don't overheat it. Things go really wrong when you do. But yeah, so that's where it's at. Appreciate every one of you that watches. I really do. And everyone that's subscribed. I appreciate you all too. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.